Let me ask you a question that might sting a little. If you needed to retire tomorrow, could you actually afford it? Most people can't. And the scary truth is this: the longer you wait, the harder it becomes, and the faster time slips away. But here's the good news. You can catch up, and you can do it way faster than you think. Today I'll show you the exact steps people use to close a 10, 15, even 20-year retirement gap, without extreme budgeting or risky investments. Let's get into it. If you feel behind, it's not because you failed. It's because nobody taught you how to plan. So first, let's face your numbers. Not emotionally, not fearfully, just realistically. Ask yourself, how much do I have saved right now? How much income do I need in retirement? How many years until I want to retire? Then calculate the gap. Retirement goal, what you currently have, equals the number you're closing. Most people avoid this step because it feels scary. But once you see the number, you can finally attack it. If you're playing catch-up, taxes are your biggest enemy and also your biggest opportunity. Every dollar the government doesn't tax is a dollar that grows for you. Your best tools: 1. 401k or workplace plan. Max it if possible. Use employer match. It's literally free money. If you're 50 plus, take advantage of catch-up contributions. 2. Roth or traditional IRA. Roth equals tax-free growth. Traditional equals tax break now. 3. Catch-up contributions. If you're 50 or older, the IRS basically gives you a second chance. Use it. These accounts accelerate your savings more than any regular bank account ever could. The fastest way to catch up on retirement isn't discipline, it's automation. Set your retirement contributions to auto-withdraw on payday. If you never see the money, you never spend it. Then apply the 1% every 90 days rule. Increase contributions by just 1% every 3 months. Most people don't even notice the difference. But those tiny increases compound into massive progress. This is how average earners reach retirement goals that look impossible on paper. Think of your finances like a bathtub. It doesn't matter how fast the water flows in if there's a huge leak at the bottom. Your leaks might be high-interest credit card debt, a car payment that's eating your paycheck, an expensive apartment you've outgrown, lifestyle creep, buying more as you earn more. If you can redirect even $200 to $400 a month into retirement, that alone can grow into 6 figures over time. Small leaks sink big ships. Plug them now. When you're trying to catch up, you don't need a miracle. You need a strategy. Forget chasing crypto spikes or hot stock tips. Your retirement deserves better than gambling. Focus on low-cost index funds, broad market ETFs, blue-chip dividend stocks, target date retirement funds. These are boring, predictable, stable, and historically extremely effective. Remember, wealth comes from time in the market, not timing the market. If you want to catch up fast, here's your secret weapon. Raise your income, even a little. You don't need a second job, just a second stream. Ideas. Freelancing a skill you already have, weekend gig, consulting, selling unused items, renting out a room or equipment. An extra $500 to $1,000 a month, invested properly, can shrink a 20-year retirement gap to just 7 to 10 years. This is how people catch up shockingly fast. Saving is one thing. Keeping it is another. As you build momentum, avoid panic selling. Keep fees low. Stay diversified. Don't withdraw early. Don't chase shiny objects. Think long-term. Your future self depends on the decisions you make today. I want you to hear this clearly. It is not too late for you. You are not behind. You are starting exactly where you're meant to be. The moment you decide to take action, your entire financial future changes. Increase your contributions, invest smarter, earn a little more, fix the leaks, and stay consistent. If you do those things, retirement will stop feeling like a dream and start becoming a plan. If you're ready to build the retirement you deserve, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. And remember, the best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now.